Hey guys, I'm here to get hands-on with this brand new, exciting new product from Zyco. We're debuting it at FDIC this month. This is our SureGrip tool mount. This one's model SG-VM-1, and it has a 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 inch diameter grip range. Alright, the SureGrip, let's break it down. With a 1.5 inch heavy-duty nylon strap. Same style as our popular quick straps that everyone's been using for over 20 years now, so you know they work, you know they're dependable. All-weather hook and loop. It's got a rubber pad on the back here for extra grip, which is great if you're mounting vertically. It's going to hold it in there firmly. It's going to keep it from sliding, slipping. The base, heavy-duty, high-tensile strength black plastic. Easy to mount to a pegboard, easy to mount to a compartment wall, and you've got this rest here where you can set the tool while you secure it. So let me get this up on a tool board for you guys, and we'll go over the process and how easy it is to put a tool in and take a tool out. Alright, so I got this little tool board here mocked up. Got our two SureGrip tool mounts, and I'm going to show you guys just how quick and easy this process is. You take your tool. Here I've got a sledge. Place the tool in the brackets. You'll notice the arm is helping me hold it in place. Take the strap, loop it around, pull it down. Take the strap, loop it around, pull it down. Bam. Good to go. Now to remove, it's just as quick and easy. Flip the straps up, and you don't even have to pull them out. You just grab the tool. Now, that's the sledge. I'll show you, here's an axe handle. It's just as easy. Secured. And you're off and running. Works with pike poles. I mean, you're not getting faster than that, guys. So giving you a close-up of how everything works. What's great about the SureGrip is you're getting a more precise grip range. Other tool mounts have pegs. They have predetermined slots you have to fit those pegs into, and maybe that fits your tool nice and tight, maybe it doesn't. With the SureGrip and the straps here, you're getting a tighter, more true grip on every tool, no matter what the size. I mean, even if electrical cords and things like that, you're getting a much tighter, truer grip. So, as you can see with this close-up, you take the strap. I'll try to keep my hand out of the way. You loop it around the arm. And again, you use your own strength and leverage to pull the strap away from the wall, which tightens the strap. And as you can see, you got a nice tight grip there. So I mean, that's stronger retention with this 1.5 inch wide nylon strap. You're getting more surface area. There's no pegs. It's easier with gloves. You're not trying to get your gloved thick fingers underneath two little pegs that are pressed up against the wall. It's just a better option all around. And one last added bonus of making the switch to SureGrip is just how less space they take up on your compartment wall. I mean, let's put say you got your closet hook in there. I mean, other mounts have a rubber strap that comes down an extra 2.5 inches from the bracket. As you can see, ours doesn't do that. You get a nice, concise little silhouette there, where you used to have 2.5 inches of dead space, you can now put another bracket. So you could potentially squeeze in a whole nother tool on each compartment wall. So there you have it, guys. The SureGrip tool mount, model SG-VM-1. Dependable, more precise, faster to secure, faster to release, tighter, stronger retention, and less area needed for mounting.